Hey everyone, let's go and take a look at the questions from this chapter. These are the questions from the chapter on economic growth. The first one, economic growth, is defined as, this is the answer here, as an increase in real GDP or real GDP per capita. Next one, the real GDP per capita is found by, is going to be this one, dividing real GDP by population. Okay. Now the next one, which of the following measures the improvements in standard of living in a nation? This will be growth rate of real gross domestic product per person. Okay. Now take a look at question number 4. It says refer to the table between years 1 and 2, real GDP grew by how much? So this is asking us between years 1 and 2, real GDP grew up by how much in the economy of Alta. So in year 1, the real GDP in Alta was 2000. In year 2, the real GDP in Alta, that is 2100. So the real GDP increase is going to be equal to 2100 minus 2000 over 2000. The whole thing is going to be multiplied times 100. So if you do the math here, the answer to this one will be 5%. Now I'm going to go to the next problem here. It's asking me between years 1 and 2, real GDP per capita grew by approximately how much in the economy of Alta. So it's asking for real GDP per capita, which is the real GDP over population. We can do it for year 1 and for year 2. So I can just make a column here. Okay, this one is going to be the real GDP per capita for the economy of Alta. So for year 1, it will be 2000 over 200. So this one is 2000 over 200. Like using these two numbers here. The next one is 2100 over 202. So this is equal to 10. Then we have 2100 over 202. This is equal to 10.39. To find the growth rate, it's in percentages. I'm gonna use this formula, which is 10.39, the new value over the old value. We divide by the old value, multiply the whole thing times 100. So my result is close to 3.9%. So this will be close to 4%. Okay. Question number 6. I need the rule of 70. Is telling me the real GDP grows by 5% per year, and in how many years is it gonna double in value? So the formula is 70 over the percentage growth rate, which is 5, and the answer will be 14 years. So just divide 70 over 5. Now question number 7. Which of the following demand, supply, and efficiency factors are responsible for economic growth? Okay, I think a bunch of sentences are missing here. It's gonna be improvement in technology, the supply factor, definitely increase in stock of capital, not this one, neither this one, and this and this. So my result will be 1, 2, 5, and 6 only. Question number 8. Economic growth is portrayed by an outward shift of the production possibility curve. Question number 9. Refer to the graph an increase in economy's productivity. This is going to shift the production possibility frontier from AB to CD. Remember, labor productivity. This increases real GDP. If real GDP increases, this means economic growth has gone up. Question number 10. Real GDP is 4,000. Labor productivity is equal to 8. And we need to know the labor hours. So writing down the formula here, real GDP is equal to labor hours times labor productivity. Real GDP is 4,000. Labor hours is something which you need to find out. Labor productivity is $8. So the labor hours is equal to 4,000 over 8. This is equal to 500. This is my answer to this question. Question number 11. Growth of production capacity is shown by a shift from AB to CD. This is what we went over. Which of the following is the largest contributor to growth in productivity? This is technological advancement. Okay, that's all with the practice questions. If you like the video, click like and subscribe. Thank you.